Our national headquarters. Stop this assault on democracy now. The Nigerian Labour Congress and the Trade Union Congress of Nigeria unequivocally condemn Mr. President's hasty and unconditional declaration of a state of emergency in Rivers State. This action blatantly violates the provisions of Part 2, Section 305 of the 1999 Constitution as amended, and constitutes an overreach of an executive power. The purported suspension of or removal of the governor, deputy governor, and the State of House Assembly is not only unlawful, but a direct assault on democracy. It sets a dangerous precedent, eroding constitutional governance and threatening the autonomy of national governments. No democratic society can strive where elected leaders are arbitrarily removed at the whims of the president. This reckless move should deeply concern every reasonable governor and citizen who believes in the rule of law. We, therefore, call on Mr. President to revoke this unconstitutional declaration in compliance with Section 305, Subsection 6 of the Constitution, which clearly outlines the legal process for declaring and sustaining the state of emergency. The President, as the constitutor of the nation's executive powers, must exercise restraint, respect constitutional limits, and act in a manner that inspires national confidence rather than suspicion. Any decision that jeopardizes national security, economic stability, democratic governance must be reconsidered. Nigeria has suffered the painful consequences of political overreach in the past, and we cannot afford to repeat such mistakes. Beyond the political and legal implications, this unjustified state of emergency will have severe socio-economic repercussions on workers and the masses. It will disrupt economic activity, forcing business to shut down or scale back operations, lead to job losses, wage costs, and economic hardship for thousands of workers in both the formal and informal sectors, create an atmosphere of uncertainty, discouraging investment and slowing economic growth in Rivers State and beyond, expose citizens to security risk, as history has shown that politically motivated state of emergency often escalate rather than resolve crisis. Accordingly, the labor movement will not remain silent while the livelihood of workers and the well-being of ordinary Nigerians are threatened by political machinations. Given this storied background in political struggle, we urge Mr. President not to betray his democratic credentials by engaging in actions reminiscent of military-era authoritarianism. Leadership demands wisdom, restraint, and unwavering commitment to democratic principle. We demand immediate reversal of this unconstitutional state of emergency in the interest of democracy, economic stability, and the welfare of Nigerian workers. Nigerian democracy must not be sacrificed on the altar of political expediency. Signed, Comrade Joe Ajeru, President of Nigerian Labour Congress, Comrade Engineer Festus Osifo, President, Trade Union Congress of Nigeria. Thank you. God bless you.